Gilla.
Hey, she said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush?
She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 drinks.
What is good, ladies and gents? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a new wig from my Braided Wigs. And y'all excuse this raspy voice. It's early in the morning. I just woke up, so I'm just now getting my morning started. So in the package, they gave me like a braided wig cap, and I've actually seen people do like crocheted styles with this, so thank you so much. They also sent me some wig caps and a cute, beautiful soft pink bonnet, which I am wearing right now. This is so cute and so adorable. I just love receiving a nice, cute silk bonnet from like a hair company. Y'all keep it going. I love bonnets. But this is the wig that I received. In this video, I'm reviewing the Boho Knotless braids. It's their Invisible Tiny Knots Full HD Lace braided wig, and it's supposed to be tangle-free with curly ends, and I actually got her in a natural 1B. And look how natural the knots look. I have not bleached the knots or anything. This is how the wig comes. I love how the lace goes through the whole entire wig, so you get this scalp look everywhere, even in the back. So if you wanted to, you can actually style her as a half up, half down, a full ponytail, or you can just lay her down. Whatever your preference of choice is, she's going to look natural. Inside the wig, it comes with an adjustable band and 3 combs, and this is the style of the wig that I got her in. So let's go ahead and get this wig prepared. The unit does come with baby hairs all through around the wig, but if you don't like baby hairs or not a fan of baby hairs, you can cut them out. So I'm getting ready to try on the wig. I'm just putting on my wig cap just to secure my hair out the way. I'll actually be putting on 3, 2 to secure down my twists and stuff, and 1 just to glue down for the front before I do the install. So let's slick these edges back, make sure these baby hairs is out the way, and I'm going to be gluing down my wig cap before I glue down this unit, because I am going to glue this wig down. So once I finish, I'll be back with the final results, so just stay tuned for that. Also, if you are interested in the wig that I'm reviewing in this video, I will be sure to have the link down in the description below, and including a code that way you can check out and get your coins off.
I had to cut some niggas off, they didn't mean me no good. I come from the ghetto, so my trunk is in my hood. She wouldn't wear no panties around me, even if she could. Gave out plenty spankings till they got it understood. Fuck the nosebleeds, baby, come sit on this wood. If you know it's tension, don't come around me like it's good. I got street smart, so you can't get this out no book. I can't right my wrongs, but I can still write these hooks.
All time to get exposed, gang. Banned from around here, nigga, come get off your show, savage. Say you pussy and he hit it on the nose, but that border's open while you acting like it's closed, I don't know. I be going in and out recessions the same way that I be going in and out of Texas, or in and out my sessions, or in and out her best friends, or in and out these courtrooms, my lawyer like objection.
Yeah, whoa, whoa. All my bitches Spanish, Boricua. Water on my neck, these diamonds came with coral reefer. She from overseas, I had to buy her a new visa. Met your wife in Vegas, but I hit her in Ibiza. She a supermodel, so she only eating Caesar. Used to date a rapper, but he acted like a diva. Niggas hustling backwards, out here ballin' with the Rhea.
Powder Adderall, I feel like I could lift a tree up.
See too many cameras, so I never lift my ski up. I jump on your song and make you sound like you the feature.
I jump on your song and make a label think they need you. For real.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Damn, maybe I should do a 20, maybe I should break that 20, do a 10, maybe I should break that 10, do a 5, then if it gets live, do a 5 again. If he held his tongue on that live, he'd be alive again. Damn, my uncle's sister knows she raised a real one, ill one. It's been 30 minutes, I don't feel none. Oh shit, wait a minute, think I'm starting to feel some. Where you get this motherfucking pill from? Heard they got some sanctions on my name. Heard they plotting on my name. Heard they banking on my name. I got leader in this bitch and he might spank it on the lane. I'm just in the cut, throwing Frankers on her frame. I'm a gentleman, I'm generous. I blow $500,000 on you hoes. I'm a feminist. I never put no prices on the beef until we end the shit. I pay $500,000 for his soul. He my nemesis.
On that bush, 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 on that bush.
Now I'm on. It's midnight. I don't care. Nothing is happening on a Wednesday. I don't care. I'm on. I'm looking for the smoke. These guys sitting front row, man. Poof. Who needs that? Let me put my window down. I need fresh air.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch the hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much on my plate, that's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much backbending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raise me, so shout out black women. So much commenting, show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at. You couldn't fit in my loafers if you took a steroid, and I wouldn't handle your baggage if I had a bellboy. I'm really replying to texts, barely enjoying the sex. I got a pain in my chest, that's from suppressing the stress. Lionel, he know me the best. Told me I know the answer, but Clancy, he gave me the best advice that I heard in a sec. I need to call me a jet, I need to pack me a bag, I need to get me a cab and need some scrimmage and chest. I could've bought me some land, I wouldn't flood in my neck. I say this shit with my chest, I'm like one of the best. I'm a workaholic and I need to give me some rest. I'd rather get these ideas off, I'd rather not steer off my path. I'm so scared of going back to my past. I work, I swear it's hard not shaking that fear off. White boy said I brag too much, the black kid said it's inspiring. Duality is tiring, my girl would kill me if she knew the things I was desiring. Suppressing it, get it out the way, I put the sirens in, yeah.
Don't get it confused. You could never.
Look, I don't fuck with parties, I don't fuck with the paparazzi. Never have I drove a Hellcat or a Maserati. Never needed others for my personal validation. She ain't get in touch if she cannot hold a conversation. Never had a bulky Richard Mille as a wristwatch. I never seen a Mary, never posted on TikTok. I never had desire for promethazine in the soda. Never made eye contact with a woman in Fashion Nova. Never had to fit in no lane. Never wore Beats by Dre headphones to get a video made. Bunny hop validated, pedaling, hitting willies like Chris retaliated. Just look around, every opportunity allocated. I put so many niggas on, you thought DJ Khaled made it. From cold showers, I used to hate it. Now spending 15 for the new booth, it ain't renovated. I could see the ocean where I sleep and the house is gated. Or Calabasas, I Brentwooded or Palisaded. The freckled girls articulating the arc, I be salivating. Wallace Henry Taylor with the trunks, I be playing Jenga. The last tour dog, I clean house, they mad I made it. I'm so conceited, feeling myself ego masturbating. I graduated after album 5, I got syndicated. You want the OT? Sorry G, that picture faded. Come get with me.
I like to call that. Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm a dead poet, tabletop stuffing. I'm a free spirit, had a whole jail jumping. Ever since a youngin' moved at my pace. Scared of having youngins cause I like my space. Selfish ain't the word, regret ain't either. Before you get the huffin' and the puffin', take a breather. Put yourself first if you living with a dream. Be your biggest cheerleader, motherfuck the team. One.
Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything when no one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I can be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me. Walk with me, yeah. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long, I've had this feeling that we could.
So here's the finished look, and this wig is eating. The moment I put this wig on and I went out and about, I got so many compliments on this wig, child. It looked like I really just sat in a chair for like 8 to 12 hours and got these fresh braids done, but no, child. It's just a wig, and it only took me about maybe less than 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes to put her on. I did receive my wig, I would say maybe like a week and a half, so you get her within like maybe like 3 to 5, 7 business days, depending on where you're located. Absolutely love this wig because she's very versatile and she looks very natural, so you can wear her up, down, half up, half down. You can even throw like some pigtails off in here with it. I mean, the lace looks super natural. This is for my girlies that suffer from any type of hair loss or that just want to try new things and don't feel like sitting in the chair for hours. I highly recommend this wig here. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Would y'all rock her? Let me know in the comments. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, bye.
I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. Your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.